If you're diving into music production on a budget, you might have come across Reaper. But does this affordable DAW really stand up against the big names? Let's unpack what makes Reaper a solid choice or not for your music making journey. Reaper is a digital audio workstation that packs a surprising amount of power for its price. Right off the bat, you'll notice the interface is customizable, which is a huge plus for users who like to tailor their workspace. It supports a wide array of audio formats and offers robust editing features, making it suitable for everything from simple recordings to complex music projects. However, the learning curve can be a bit steep for beginners. While there are plenty of tutorials available, the initial setup might feel overwhelming. The intended audience seems to be both hobbyists and semi-professionals, and once you get the hang of it, the flexibility of Reaper shines through. One thing that stands out is the generous trial period 60 days without limitations, which gives you ample time to explore its features. But some users might find that the lack of built-in instruments could be a drawback, especially if you're looking for a one-stop solution. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Reaper is incredibly affordable, especially compared to other DAWs. The level of customization is impressive and it's lightweight, meaning it runs smoothly even on older machines. However, it's not all sunshine. The steep learning curve can be frustrating for those new to music production. Also, while it supports third-party plugins, the absence of built-in virtual instruments might leave some users wanting more. Trust can also be a concern. While Reaper is well regarded in the industry, its less mainstream status compared to giants like Ableton or Logic might make some hesitate. If you're someone who prefers a more intuitive setup or needs lots of built-in sounds, Reaper might not be your best fit. In conclusion, Reaper is a fantastic choice for those looking for an affordable DAW with powerful capabilities, especially if you're willing to invest some time into learning it. However, if you prefer a more user-friendly experience or need extensive built-in tools, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's definitely worth trying out.